Hello, everyone. If you're just starting out with Salesforce and you're watching this, so you're probably seeing that's a lot of the resources out there in English. And now I have a course for the Salesforce administrators who is starting for the beginners. And it's in English. It's not in English. It's in Turkish, but yeah, all the materials in English. I have noticed that for maybe 18 or 19% of learners, that there is one big hurdle. They focus so much on the English that they lose sight of the bigger picture. And I did the exact same things when I started. First, honestly, the hardest part of me was not the technical stuff. It was constant feeling of, is my English even good enough for this? And English is not my first language, as you can see, as you can hear. And I remember spending so much energy just trying to keep up with the terminology instead of the seeing the big picture. I was thinking more about, do I understand those words, those English words, and then what's the Salesforce actually doing as a CRM, right? And that made everything feel a lot harder. And here's the things: this is not just about English. Even native English speakers, right, can struggle to piece together the big picture of Salesforce because it's not just about memorizing features or technical terms. It's about understanding how this whole CRM system fits into a business world, right? And I had moments where I felt really inadequate, and I think, why can't I get this? I have learned Java before, and that was going fine. Why does Salesforce feel tougher even and so it's not even coding heavy, right? It shook my confidence a bit. But once I understood that it's normal to feel lost at the start, everything started to get easier. So if you're feeling like that too, trust me, it's not just you, and it's not about your English, and it's just about giving yourself time to see the big picture. So yeah, I just wanted to use my coffee, explain the the situation, the time which I struggled to exploring the Salesforce, to exploring my dream job, right? Starting to my dream job. And yeah, on this channel, I'm sharing my real journey with Salesforce, the little victories and the things I wish someone had told me. If that sounds like something you need, so feel free to subscribe and, yeah, figuring it out together.